Hi, you guys. You should already have watched the overview on how to use all the tools on this Jamboard screen. And now I'm going to show you how we're going to use this digital sketchbook to work on your project, which is going to be your name in a graffiti style. So we are on page 1 of the sketchbook. It has 17 pages right now, but Ms. Rolfe and I might tweak it before we get it out to you. So right now I'm on page 1, my name, graffiti style, sketchbook. So here I want you to click on this note and you're going to add your name. You can double click to expand it, or you can always hit the ... to edit. Okay, so add your name, the period that you have art, and which teacher. On page 2, there's some instructions. I think I put all the instructions in blue. So read the instructions for each page. I can cover or delete instruction notes as I complete the steps. I will pull the corner of an image to size it to be similar to the size of the page. I will try not to distort my images as I resize them. I will show you what that means in just a minute. My teacher will draw on the images I share in this file to help me with corrections and ideas. I will submit this file to the assignment in Google Classroom. My teacher will look at my design and give me feedback. So we are going to have you submit this sketchbook multiple times as you work on your design. This would be the same as if we were in class and we were walking around and we might come by and see what you're doing. You might have questions, we might have suggestions, you would make some changes. We would come around again later and look again. Or sometimes you might put a design on paper, give it to us. We would keep it overnight, give you some ideas and give it back to you. You would make some corrections and it would go back and forth with us advising you and helping you get better at what we're trying to do. So you will submit this several times. All right, the next page begins your work. So you're going to have a few assignments with this. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to draft your name, graffiti style. You're going to do that on a piece of real paper, not digitally. You're going to draw your name, graffiti style, and then take a good picture and paste it on the next page. Be sure to get some overlap in your letters. Be sure you are using either bubble letters or block letters, any combination of those. You can invent your own style and make sure they are chunky. The orange sticky notes are yours. If you need help, you can write it down here. Like you could tell me, I was really struggling with the letter S, please help me. So here's where you're going to paste your drawing. So I'm going to show you how to do that because I have a drawing ready. So I'm going to go over here to images and I'm going to upload, select the file from my device, and I have a copy of the image that I did for the video. So I'm going to go to recent, and once it loads, you're just going to choose it, and I happen to know it was this one. Open. And then I'm going to show you how to do the sizing without distorting it. So it's kind of small and I want it to be large enough to fit the screen. So just see if you can grab, let me grab that. Okay, so I might have to move it. Just get it as large as you can, like that. And then Ms. Rolfe and I will write on your image this way. So we might take this tool and say, like right here. And I might give you a sticky note. Let's put some overlap here. Oops. Okay,